earphone not connecting. This video will definitely fix your every problem in just no time. I'm Gogi from how to do it, and today I'm not requesting for like and subscribe. I'm just requesting for watch full video. Yes, you are listening right. Many times it happens with us that we purchase new earphones and after that we try to connect them. I'm requesting you fully charge this case and devices first. After that try to remove and add it to your ears, and after that you will definitely able to search into your mobile phone. How you can search? Go to the settings and go to the Bluetooth. One second. Go to Bluetooth, and after that you have to click on this search and you will see a available devices option over there. You have to touch and that's it, connecting. But this video not ends here. What we have to do for fixing your every problem? First of all, you have to charge your proper earphones properly. After that you have to add them onto your ears, and after that hear the sounds. And if it's not get into the connecting mode, you have to switch on and press. This is the touch button or switch on button. You have to press and hold it until it's in pairing mode or it's in connecting mode. And after that you have to go to your mobile phone again and click on this refresh button, and it will start showing you the device you want to connect, and click on that, and voila, you will be very successful in this thing. If you like this video, don't forget to like, now share and comment how it helped you. Bye bye for now.